WPI's EVOM line of transepithelial electrical resistance measurement systems use silver-silver chloride electrodes for taking measurements. Regular maintenance keeps your EVOM Auto GxP electrodes performing optimally. Periodically, you will need to rechloride your electrodes. Just follow these steps. Select Maintenance from the main menu. The maintenance window appears. To chloride, press the plus or the minus buttons to set the timer to the desired time in minutes in the chloridized frame. Select the radio button for the rinse station containing the chloriding solution. Fill the appropriate rinse station with a bleach solution. Press the Start Timer button. The Start Chloridized pop-up displays. Enter your comment and your EVOM Auto GxP client password. If you don't want to add a comment, you may select the No Comment checkbox. If you do, default text appears in the comment line. Then press the Start button. The time interval displays on the counter in the center of the window. The title changes to Chloriding Time Remaining. The electrode array moves to the selected rinse station, and the counter starts counting down to 0. When the count reaches 0, the electrode array retracts. At any point, you may stop the counter by pressing the Stop Timer button. This resets the counter to 0 and retracts the electrode array. If you have any questions, just give us a call.